Welcome to our lesson about editing components. Here's the assembly we created in our previous lesson. Let's edit the base. Let's just double-click on it in the tree. Now let's right-click on Extrusion 2. Select Show Dimensions. Let's change this one to 1.5 inches and click OK. Now click Update so our change is registered. And click Return. Update again if needed. Notice that Mount 1 followed our change, but Mount 2 doesn't. The reason for this is because Mount 2 still has sketch references. Here's the reference that pertains to Sketch 1. Let's right-click on the base and open this part in a new window. Now let's double-click on the sketch that supports Extrusion 2. Let's change this dimension to 1.25 inches. OK, and finish sketch. Now let's go to our assembly. We can switch between documents here as well. Let's click Update, and the assembly updates. And this concludes our lesson about editing components.